Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are doing our hair, of course. Today I have a wig from Hermosa Hair. This is a 13 by 4 honey blonde highlight wig. It is in 24 inches and it is 220% density. So this is what the wig looks like right out the packaging. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. It comes with a adjustable strap on the inside as well as some combs. And here are the knots. They are unbleached. So here's me, of course, no breakdown story of my life. So I'm just going to put my hair in this low ponytail. And this wig fits really nice and snug. I took the strap out, so I just have the adjustable straps in the back hooked up, as you can see, and the wig fits perfect. I've also washed and let the hair air dry, and then I did bleach the knots on this unit. So this is really cute. I also washed it with some Shimmer Light shampoo because I wanted the blonde to be not so brassy. Well, the blonde highlights in the wig to be not brassy. And I love this. So I'm just going to spray some hairspray a little bit in the front just to tack the wig down. Y'all know I no glue over here. All my wigs are glueless. We just use hairspray. So that's all I'm doing. And then I'm going to let this set for a little bit. And I'm just adding some of my powder foundation down the part just to make it a little more prominent. And then I'm just going to cut some little side pieces out so I can create some cute little baby hairs. There really isn't much that you have to do with this wig once you put it on. If you do like all of your pre-wig maintenance beforehand, you literally can put the wig on and just go. So the night before, of course, I bleached the knots. I washed it, conditioned it, and then I just let it air dry overnight. So all I did was plop it on my head and it looks good. It looks really good. I love the highlights on this unit. They're not all like chunky and clunked together, which I hate. I feel like this is really cute and natural. So I just added a little bit of olive oil mousse to the top just to kind of tame it. And yeah, it's a lot of hair. It is 220% density and it really gives all of that. So yeah, I'm just tucking it behind my hair. So on my edges, it's the hair is behind my hairline. It's not tacked down. The only part that's tacked down is this front. And that's barely even tacked down because you will see eventually I'm like gonna readjust it. But I'm just going in with this hot comb to like straighten the roots a little bit to make it a little more flat. But this is what it looks like. Love, love, love the lace, and I just love this unit altogether. Hermosa did their big one on this wig. And this curl pattern is more of like a kinky curly. I really like that as well. I am going to do a little half up, half down claw clip style because y'all know I just can't get enough. But yeah, love this wig. And yeah, voila, super easy install. I'll be sure to list all of Hermosa's information in the description box, as well as a direct link for this wig that I'm wearing. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.